automatic transfer switch or change over switch from generator or electric fuel. This is MCB for electric fuel. This is MCB for generator with an timer delay. This is CIFF. Main power and backup power, manual to auto. Okay, I will MCB on for electric pole, load for electric pole. I will on MCB generator. To supply on standby, generator standby, supply load to from electric pole. When electric pole suddenly it goes out, so supply generator on. Look, 3, 2, 1. Timer delay 5 seconds. On. Supply load from generator. Main power to backup power. B lights on. When the electric pole turns on again, the load from electric pole returns. Look, 1, 2, 3. Suddenly electric pole turns on. Look, lamp A on. Backup power to main power. Load from electric pole. We repeat off on delay 5 minutes. Load on. Supply from generator. Change over switch or automatic transfer switch. Suddenly electric pole turns on. Backup power to main power. Load from electric pole. Generator supply standby on. Okay, thank you.